On today's video, I want us to talk about trading sessions. When is the right time to trade in Olymp Trade? How much should you trade with? And which type of analysis do you need to do to know which asset to trade and at what time? Hi there, my name is Kenomolo, and on today's video, we will be talking about the best time to trade in Olymp Trade. Again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kenomolo and this is June Online. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click on that subscription button. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I do more videos about Olymp Trade, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so today's session again, just to remind you guys, today's session is about showing you guys when the right time to trade is. So once or twice you may have started trading within the day at random periods, started trading, placed a trade downwards, lost, placed another one upwards, lost, and continued doing the same until you blew your account. Yeah. So one of the things that plays a very important factor in trading and that can as much help you make money as it can also help you lose money is trading sessions. Okay, so you need to know which asset falls under which trading session, and you need to know if you are a volatility trader or if you want to trade in a market that is less volatile. Okay, so if you want to trade in a market that is volatile, then most probably you will want to trade within the first 2 hours of a market opening or the last 1 hour of a market closing. You may also want to trade during major events if you are a volatility trader, because after every major event, chances are the market will become volatile and it will keep on moving up and down all the time. So if you have an account in Olymp Trade, let's get started. If you don't have an account in Olymp Trade, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it to create your trading account. So we'll go ahead and click on the asset. Click on the asset on your any asset that is shown on your chart, whichever it is, just click on it. Okay, so after you've clicked on it, click on this high. Is it high or exclamation facing upwards? So click on that, then this window will open. So there are a lot of things that I want us to learn today from this specific window. Ignore everything else that is shown on the screen. Just keep your eyes on this window. So when you click on that, you'll see the platform that you are currently in. For example, if you look at mine, it shows fixed time trades. So fixed time trades again is a trading method whereby you choose the duration of time that you want your trade to run. You choose the amount that you want to trade and place either up or down. And if within that 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, that trade closes in profits, you make money. If it closes in losses, you lose money. Okay, so it's very different from Forex. In Forex, you can trade here and continue earning with continue earning as the market continues to grow towards the direction that you've picked. And in Forex, again, if you don't have a stop loss, you can continue losing for the longest time. Okay, so the difference is if you're trading Forex, you can earn so much and you can also lose so much. The losing is not limited to the amount that you've staked. But in FTT, if you lose $10. If you earn, you will earn a rate of return that is shown. At the moment, if you look at these assets, the rate of return that is shown is up to 90%. Okay, so if you look at the asset that we are looking at the moment, this is the Euro NOK. So the NOK is the Norwegian currency. So when you scroll down, you will see price dynamics, and as price dynamics, you will see a chart that shows if this asset is gaining or if this asset is losing in value. So at the moment, the NOK is gaining in value. You can see that it has gained 0.09% in 1 day. So if we narrow down to 1 hour, you'll see that it has lost 0.08%, and in 1 week, in 1 week it has lost 0.99%, and in 1 month it has lost 2.98%. So what does that mean? That means that if you're trading on a 1 month time frame, then most probably you'll see that the market is going down and has been going down for the past month. And if you're trading on the 1 week, again, you should expect that the market will continue going down. It's going down. We can see that on the chart. We can just change on the chart and see what is happening. Okay, so if you look at it on the 1 month period again, you'll see that it has been falling over time. There are more reds than greens, then the higher highs and higher lows shows us the story. It's very short. It's falling and it's falling. Okay, so you'll see all that there. If you want to see anything about that, if you want to see anything about that asset, just click there and you'll see everything that you need to know. You can see the maximum value that it attained and the minimum value that it attained over that past 1 month too. Other things that you can see about that currency are the trading conditions. The currency that we are currently trading with is the USD. Okay, my account is in USD. Then there is the status of my account, that is the expert status. Then the trade restrictions, you can only trade for 1 minute on this. Remember, we talked about Quickler is special. You can go for 5 seconds on Quickler. However, if you're trading the major currencies like the USD NOK, then the minimum trade duration should be 1 minute. The maximum trade duration on the other hand is 23 hours, and the maximum trade amount is $1. The minimum trade amount is $1, and the maximum trade amount is $5,000. That is for an expert status. I know that if you are trading on a standard account, then the maximum trade amount on your account should be like $3,000. Okay. So that is all about my account. You can see everything about your account there. Then we can also see schedules. We have that. Then if you look at the calendar, if there is any special event that is coming up, you will see it here. Now, this is very important, especially for those who want to trade during events to make money with volatility. Okay, so you can check that here if in case there is any event that is coming up on the asset that you're trading. Olymp Trade normally shows it somewhere here with some fire-like button at the bottom. So if you see that, you should know that the currency that you're currently trading as an event that is coming up, it can affect you positively if you're a volatility trader, and negatively if you like a calm market. Yeah. So notice the two differences. If you're trading volatility, then you expect that the market will be jumpy, moving up and down, and making you money in the process. If you are not a volatility trader, on the other hand, then you expect that the market should be calm, so that you analyze the market and make your money in your own terms. So on this next button, I want us to look at everything that we need to know about the USD NOK as a currency pair. So the full name for this currency pair is the US dollar against the Norwegian krone. US dollar against the Norwegian krone. Okay. So the symbol for this is USD NOK, and the unit of measurement is the price of 1 USD against 1 Norwegian krone. The currency pair quotes are influenced by important economic news for Norway and the United States. USD NOK also depends on the oil market dynamics. So the increase in the price of black gold, which is oil, has a positive impact on the Norwegian krone. So you should notice that. You should keep that in mind, especially if you're a volatility trader, and especially if you use fundamental analysis to analyze your charts and to decide which direction to go. So this is a very important tip. Check the price of oil. How much is oil trading for at what particular time? Then you will know if it will have a positive or a negative impact on the Norwegian krone and at what particular time. So this again will help determine when you should trade. Yeah. Remember, the topic of this video is when is the best time to trade in Olymp Trade. So these are some of the mechanics that you look at to decide if indeed it is the right time to trade at this moment or not. So what is the forecast for these currency at the moment? So at the moment, the Olymp Trade systems are forecasting that these assets will continue to fall. In 1 hour, it will fall by negative. It will fall by negative 0.12%. So if you're trading on this asset, you are expected to trade down and to also look at different strategies. If you have a strategy in place, use that strategy that you have in place. And if you have a money management strategy in place, also put that into action so that you conserve your capital even as you try to grow your money. So it is expected to fall in 1 hour. The next update will come in 36 seconds. So if you're looking for signals again, you can use that as a signal to tell which currency to trade. Okay, so there are very many other similar trends at the bottom. You can look at all of them down here to tell which asset to trade and at what time. In short, there are a lot of factors that you'll have to consider if ever you will find the best time to trade in Olymp Trade. One of them being trading sessions. Does any of the 4 trading sessions favor you? Can you wake up at 2 a.m. to trade? Can you wake up at 3 a.m. to trade? If you can't, then don't trade on that session. Another thing that you'll need to look at is you. Which type of trader are you? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you a volatility trader? Find out which type of trading you like. If you like scalping, then it means that you can trade anywhere, any day, with any device at any time, which means that the best time for a scalper to trade in Olymp Trade is any time. So long as you have your device, you have some money that you want to spend on the market, to go ahead and trade. If you are a volatility trader, on the other hand, the best time for you to trade might be the first 1 hour or the last 1 hour of each of the major trading sessions. So this is when each of these sessions see the most volatility. So you want to capitalize on that and make money on that volatility. With all that information, when is the best time to trade in Olymp Trade? Tell me about it in the comment section. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed, and turn on that notification bell so that when I do more videos about Olymp Trade, you will get notified. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Genomolo.